Frozen Nail Art Tutorial by Hot Pink Zebra Polish. Begin by painting your thumbnail a darker blue, your pointer, middle, and pinky nails a light blue, and your ring nail nude. On your ring nail with deep green paint, we're going to be painting a triangular half moon. And this is just a little triangle by your cuticle. And then paint a line coming down from it that splits your nail in half. And then add a wider brown stripe off to each side. And now we're going to be outlining the green with gold. And from this point forward, I'm only going to show the steps for adding the pattern to one gold brown stripe, but do it for the other. So in the center of your brown stripe, paint a gold X. And now with a deep green, we're going to be painting a V shape from each side of the X. So you're almost like extending the two V shapes that form the X. And then add a dark pink diamond below the lower green. And then with blue, add 2 dots, and red, add the little line, and add some light pink in the center. On your thumbnail, with black, we're going to be adding the swirls to the bottom of Elsa's coronation dress. And I know it's really hard to see in the video because I'm painting black on top of an already quite dark color, but in real life, if you could see it, I wish you could. You can see it, and it does look very beautiful. I would just suggest looking at either my picture that I have for the thumbnail, or you could also look at a picture of the bottom of both Elsa and Anna's dresses. So with dark purple, this is going to be the same thing as the black, I'm sorry. We're going to be adding the darker purple details. And then with light purple, go through and add light purple details. And then add the darker pink. And then add a tiny bit of white in the lavender diamond. On your pointer nail with a darker blue than what you painted your nail with, we're going to be painting Frozen. And I'm going to start with the O about in the middle of my nail. And in Frozen's logo, the N and the F are both a little bigger than the other letters. And now I'll be adding just a little bit of glitter on either side. On your middle and pinky nails, we're going to be adding a generous layer of foil glue. And the reason I say a generous layer is because if you do a really super thin coat, some of the foil might not stick. So then press down a silver or a silvery blue foil, I guess, onto your middle nail. And with white, I'm going to be painting some snowflakes. And when you're painting snowflakes, just start by adding 6 lines or 8 lines, however many you like, and just add a pattern going around, almost like a kaleidoscope. And then add just a couple of dots here and there to look like snowflakes that are off in the distance. And on your pinky, we're going to be pressing a patterned silver foil. So mine almost reminds me of what ice looks like, which I thought was the perfect pattern. And of course, add a layer of top coat. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked my design. Please share any recreations with me on Facebook and Twitter. I always love to see them. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!